up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today the company I will be working with is Hairsmarket. Here I'm showing you what comes in the packaging. Of course, you know, all the goodies, and it also came with this bag which lists the length, which is a 20-inch, and it also comes with this wig cap and this cute little scrunchie that you could use as a hair tie or a bracelet. This is the wig. This is a 20-inch lace front wig. It is a 13x6 lace front, and it is 150 density. It does have adjustable straps in the back, and it did come with combs, but I took them off. Here I'm just showing you guys the parting space. Like I said, this is a 13x6, so you can do deep middle parts and deep side parts if you choose. I did go ahead and cut the lace off on camera because this will be an install with my lace cut beforehand. I left my ear tabs just in case I needed to adjust them. I like to do that while the wig is actually on my head and not on my mannequin head, just in case I cut too much. You know, you want everything to look flawless. So here I am just cutting the ear tabs on each side, just making sure everything is laying right before I get ready to install. I went ahead and parted my hair, so I will be doing a side part. Now I'm just going to take my wax stick and my hot comb and lay everything down. Y'all, you know, we trying to get flat, not fat. So make sure you use your hot comb and lay everything down, girl, because you want that stuff to be snatched. To hold down my wig, I will be using the Got to Be Glued freeze spray and a little bit of the Got to Be Glued gel. I decided to not use a bald cap for this method because it really wasn't needed. The lace was super thin, like HD lace, and all I needed was some makeup. So I'm going to go in like so with my Got to Be Glued freeze spray, applying a couple sprays, using the blow dryer in between until I feel it is tacky enough. And then you want to lightly place that lace down, girl, and make sure it's all melted. And you want to repeat the same steps on the sides as I did at the top. I like to work in sections, as you guys already know. You can do it whatever you like. You do not have to work in sections. If you want to do your whole hairline, you can, sis. Like, you don't have to follow me step by step, but I just like to show you guys step by step just in case anybody has any questions or concerns. Next, I will be going in with my Bio Silk, and I'm just going to take a little bit and rub that in the palm of my hands and lightly spread that through all out of the hair. I use this and a little bit of a heat protecting spray before I go in with my Babyliss Pro straightener to get these bomb ass curls. I have my straightener set to 450, and guys, I have a lot of people asking me about my straightener. This is a ceramic straightener, so it has ceramic towels all the way around, which leads me to the ability to do curls. You wouldn't be able to achieve this with a straightener that does not have ceramic sides, I believe. But yeah, I'm just going to press out the hair first to make sure everything is straight, and then we will go in and do them curls, sis. Before I go in and curl my hair, I'm going to go in and layer the front of my hair, usually by my bang area. I feel this helps a lot before curling. It gives you a whole bunch of body and voluminous curls, which is the look I am going for. If you don't like having your hair framed to your face, you can leave your hair long, but I personally would prefer to have my hair framed to my face with my bangs. And since this is a no baby hair look, I will be going in just using my scissors and cutting me a little sideburn. Now you want to take your hair in sections. I like to start from the back and work my way up to the top of my head. And you want to curl going away from your face. I think this helps a lot. A lot of people don't know how to curl their hair. Girl, I know I didn't know how to curl my hair for the longest, but you know, practice makes perfect. So yeah, you want to just do like so. Like I said, I'm just curling outwards away from my face to frame my face. guys, this is the finished look, y'all. I'm so in love with this. Oh my god, y'all, like I feel like I bodied this style so much. But again, tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is Hairsmarket. This is their 20-inch lace front wig in the Brazilian straight, 150 density. If you guys like this, you can purchase this online at www.hairsmarket.com, and I will have all the links listed in the description box. So guys, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.